This is the Osmotic Pressure Interactive Calculator, which solves for various parameters in osmotic pressure calculations used in water treatment and chemical engineering applications. Let's review the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include Calculate Osmotic Pressure, Calculate Molar Concentration, Calculate Absolute Temperature, Calculate Van't Hoff Factor, Reverse Osmosis Required Pressure, and Calculate Molecular Weight from Osmotic Pressure. For this demo, I'm using Calculate Osmotic Pressure. Next, choose your pressure unit from atmospheres, bar, psi, kPa, or Pa. I'll use atmospheres. Then enter your molar concentration in moles per liter, Van't Hoff factor as a dimensionless value, temperature in Celsius or Kelvin, osmotic pressure in your selected unit, solute mass in grams, solution volume in liters, membrane efficiency as a percentage, and safety factor. For our example, I've entered 10 for all primary inputs. After clicking Calculate, the results show an osmotic pressure of 23.5289 atmospheres. The calculator also provides pressure conversions showing 2354.316 bar, 34146.35 psi, and 235431.57 kPa. These extremely high values result from using test inputs of 10 across all fields, demonstrating the calculator's computational range. Find the link in the description below.